Kerry Katona looked like the cat that got the cream as she was snapped in her brand new £200,000 Lamborghini. The former Atomic Kitten singer was hard to miss as she exited the bright green vehicle wearing a contrasting blue jumpsuit. 4. Kerry pulled up in her bright green LamborghiniCredit, Crawshaw, BACKGRID UK. 4. The former Atomic Kitten singer wore a contrasting blue jumpsuit. Credit, Crawshaw, BACKGRID UK. 4. It's no surprise a trip to the ATM makes Kerry smile after she made millions from OnlyFans. Credit, Crawshaw, BACKGRID UK. Kerry, 41, beamed as ran errands, teaming the outfit with a long black cardigan, a navy Gucci belt bag and white trainers. In December, a devastated Kerry took to social media to reveal her £110,000 Range Rover had been stolen during a shopping trip. In a live Instagram video, Kerry revealed she chased after the thieves after she realized her keys had been taken. She said, "I chased them, good job I didn't get them, they could have had a knife or anything. I feel violated. The kids are really shook up." The new motor retails at £200,000, small change for mum of 5 Kerry, who has made millions off the back of flogging sexy snaps on OnlyFans. Appearing on The Jay Hutton Show recently, Kerry explained how she was on the verge of her third bankruptcy during the first lockdown and turned to the subscription site when she couldn't pay her rent. Kerry said, "I've always been a grafter, I've always had my own money. I've never met anybody like me, to be honest. Someone who's been on every side of the coin, go into bankruptcy, become a millionaire, go into bankruptcy and become a millionaire again. Who does that?" Kerry continued, "I think him quite extraordinary and I like to give myself a pat on the back." Tattoo Fixers star Jay asked, "You're in a good position now, aren't you?" Grabbing her boobs, Kerry replied, "That's down to OnlyFans and these babies. I'm so grateful for these, but I want to go a bit smaller. I was on the verge of going into my third bankruptcy at the first lockdown, it was so tough. I just thought I'm gonna start an OnlyFans account and I'm so glad that I did." Kerry admitted that before joining OnlyFans she was so desperate for money that she was forced to sell a treasured wedding present from first husband Brian McFadden. She said, "I couldn't even pay my rent. I had this big jukebox off of Brian, my first husband, it goes everywhere with me and it's got all of my favorite music in it. I couldn't afford to pay my rent and it's worth about £16,000 and I had to sell it for £1,900. Jay asked, "Why did it have to be sold so cheap?" Turning to her fiancé Ryan Mahoney off-screen, Kerry said, "Ryan, why did we sell it so cheap?" Ryan said, "It was a bit damaged." Kerry added, "Yeah, but I had to pay my rent." Now Kerry claims to earn tens of thousands a month thanks to posting racy content online. 4. Kerry has made millions from vlogging sexy snaps on OnlyFans.